Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on peer-to-peer on Viber. So let's get started. We're going to start off by clicking on this settings icon here. That's going to take us to our settings. Next, we're going to go ahead from the multiple options we have here. We're going to select privacy. That's the second one. Now we're going to scroll down and you're going to see right below auto spam check, we have use peer-to-peer. That means it will improve your call quality, but it will reveal your IP address to others in the call. So if you are okay with these terms, you're going to go ahead and turn it on by clicking on it. If you change your mind, you can always just click on it again and turn it off. So let's leave it on for the purpose of this video. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!